Hi, in this video for the SAB Titan 3 combo receiver, we're going to show you how you can schedule a future recording, okay? And what I mean by that is, something that's coming in the future, basically a few hours ahead or tomorrow or something like that, okay? So to do this, all you have to do is simply hit the EPG button and press the yellow button for timer. Now, what you want to do here is you get two options, and I'll look at the timer list one shortly, but we want to do USB HDD recorder and press OK. So obviously you'll have a memory stick or an external hard drive plugged into the box to do this. And what you want to do is, it's fairly self-explanatory. What you can see here is, you arrow down here and you can see timer mode. So you get once, daily, weekly, monthly or off. So I'm just going to say once, but you could see that if you wanted to do it daily, you could record the news every day at 6 o'clock or something like that, or weekly. If there was a program on once a week, say Match of the Day or something like that, okay? But I'm just going to say once. So what the next thing to look at then is timer service. So you can see the options here. You have record TV, message, radio channel, TV channel, record radio, record TV. So basically, in general, most people will just want to use record TV, but you could do something like throw up a message on the screen, remind you to look at a radio channel, remind you to look at a TV channel, or record a radio channel. But I'm just going to say record TV. So the next thing to look at then is basically what channel do I want to do this with. So just say, for argument's sake, I want to record RTE1, and the day is fine. But if it was tomorrow, you could say the 12th or whatever, and we'll say the on time. So I'm going to say the on time is 1800 and the duration is 30. So that's fine. So basically what I want to do is today at 6 o'clock start recording RTE1 and stop recording 30 minutes later, so that'll be 6:30. So what I know that's going to do for me is basically record the news at 6 and the weather, okay? So that's fine. And the next thing then at the end is standby after finish, yes or no. So what that means basically is that after it's finished recording, it'll put the box in standby if you say yes. Now, why you might want to do this is if you're going to be out for the evening or something like that and you don't want to waste electricity, it's a good idea just to put the box in standby after it stops recording. Just saves electricity basically. But if you're going to be watching TV and you're not bothered about that, you can just leave standby after finish and that's fine. So what you want to do then is, simply hit exit. It'll ask you then, are you sure to save? And you say yes. So I can go back in here to EPG, the yellow button for timer, and go into timer list, and you can see there now that I have that set up to record later on. Now what you can do from within this menu is, if you hit the red button, you can go in, you create a new timer. You can use the arrow keys to highlight the timers you have and hit the yellow button if you want to go in and modify that one. Just say, for instance, I found out that the news is going to be late tonight and it was starting at 6:15. I could start at 6:15 or something like that. Or if you change your mind about recording, you can use the green button to delete them. So if I hit the exit button there now, I can go back out to live TV. So that's just a little bit about scheduling a future recording on the SAB Titan 3 combo receiver.